Let's ask an expert. Ali, I've got a message here from Tony, which is an interesting one actually. Can you mix colours together?
Absolutely, yes. Providing it's the same product, you can mix any colours together, even 2 or 3 different colours. For example, if you have the Baratine Premier Wood Preserver, you can't mix that with the Baratine Wood Protective Treatment, but providing it's exactly the same product, you can mix any of the colours together.
As long as they're the same product, that's okay?
Yes, and that's across the board.
Right, so you can make your favourite blend of colours there, whatever that may be. Sue says, how can I prepare the surface of the wood before refinishing?
So it does depend on the finish that you are applying, but generally speaking, you would sand it back to bare wood, and bear in mind that when you sand wood, it brings the natural oils back to the surface. So it's really important that about an hour before you refinish it, that you clean over the surface with methylated spirit, and that will just degrease it and make your new finish much more uniform.
I like the use of the phrase, bear in mind. It's very good. Follow us here for more expert tips from the experts at Wood Finishes Direct. Go to our website as well, woodfinishesdirect.com, where you can find everything you need at great prices. We have oils, we have varnishes, we have
waxes, polishers, paints.
Everything that you need to make your project go smoothly. That was brilliant. One take.